sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much for taking the time to meet with us today. My name is Amin Abdullahi Olaiwola. I'm a student of anatomy from the Faculty of Clinical Science. And my colleague is Shola by name. He's a student of business education from the Faculty of Education. So we are really grateful for this opportunity to learn from your expertise and wealth of experience. As far as our GSA is concerned, which is a skill acquisition course, we're exploring different career paths and skill sets that are essential in today's world. So my colleague and I have been choosing to interview you on networking because it plays such a pivotal role in technological landscape. So before we start the interview, sir, I would like you to briefly introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Yusuf Nuruddin. My education background is I went to Ladoke Akitola University, my first degree. My master was in this department, telecommunications. So I have a master in telecommunications.
Okay, that's very good, sir. Okay, so we would like to start with the questioning now.
Yeah.
So the first question here is, we would like to know what inspired you to specialize in networking, and how did you start your journey in this field, sir?
Basically, the inspiration started from school. I did computer engineering in school, so that's where I picked interest in our school. Then it's normally computer science, computer engineering slash computer science (CSE) is combined course, and basically our idea that time is those people that is doing computer science basically programming, and when you are talking about computer is networking. So, but that interest is right from childhood.
Okay.
So it's not as if something, just interest right from the beginning.
Alright. Thank you very much, sir. So, can you please explain for us which programming languages or tools or certification like a networking student should focus on?
That basically we all believe programming language is only meant for computer science guys, or everything is now mixed up now. We have network automation. For you to be in network automation, you must have what background knowledge on programming. But majorly the programming language that is everybody is going through presently is about Python. So when I'm talking about Python, I think Python is good with networking. So the way everybody is moving, I will always advise most of the students to you can combine the two together, because it's like everything is now everything is moving together now. So I will not say that okay, differentiate to two, because now we have network automation. We have SDN, software developed network. So majorly Python is everybody is using when it comes to networking related programming.
Okay, so this Python that you mentioned, is it because maybe it's easy to learn, or is there any particular something there that students are interested in?
Number one, yes, it's easy to learn, and its application. It has a broad knowledge of application, and it's very easy when it comes to applying it to networking environment.
Thank you very much, sir. So, what advice would you give to someone that is aspiring to excel in the networking field, both technically and professionally?
As a student, huh?
Yes, sir.
You just need to start learning, and basically focus on more on certification. And it's a skill already. It's a skill oriented, and you need to focus more on certification. We have a lot of certification when it comes to networking. We have every vendor, different vendor has their own certification. Like you have Cisco, we have Huawei that we are using for what GSA skill. So you can pick one of those courses. So both Cisco, Huawei At least with that one, it bridge the gap between what academy and what and the industry. And as a student now, if you can have if you can get those certification, at least it will have give you that what idea of what you need in industry.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. From what you've said so far, I've seen that even a medical student can venture into networking.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much, sir. So, the last question I was going to ask you is that can you share us a success story from your career that highlights the impact of effective networking, sir?
Success story. Presently, we are still going up in this field, so you cannot just conclude that okay. Although there is an award I win, the best instructor in the world.
Wow. That's very good, sir.
So I think we are still growing up. So we've not reached that stage.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
We are really grateful and we appreciate your time.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay.